Chester provide various services in IT sector. It's mainly software services, web design and development, software maintenance service, mobile application, BI services. Being the Microsoft technology partner, Chester provide major service in Microsoft technologies like .NET, SQL Server, Microsoft Power BI, and other Microsoft tools. Other technology like Python, PHP, Java, etc. Chester has built a reputation among its customers from small scale to large scale industry to multinational corporations. We win the customer faith by delivering the quality software, believe in long-term relationship. It's very much important to hold your old customer. Like the Chester had started business in 2014, and since then we have a record of not losing a single client so far. We have a major presence in India, but we have clients across all the world, including US and some African regions. The first thing, we identify our client and customer, their growth, their history, their way of culture, and then we reach out to the customer, not to sell something at the first moment, but understand their business model and pitch is like where we can help them out. Deliver demo work for 1 to 2 weeks based on the customer, reach out to the new customer to win the faith and to prove our capability. Mouth publicity from our existing client. They keep referring the new client. We work for financial and accounting services, CMS, CRM, mobile application, and ERP solution. Our company has been following the work from home culture the way before the COVID-19. We have resource working from different locations. Like our main development center is based out of Bhopal, but we have the resources working from New Delhi and Indore as well. Our 30% resource were working from home even before the lockdown. There might be a little impact in getting the new client, new business because of the COVID-19. But at the same time, we are getting more inquiries from our existing clients to develop the digital process for their business. Like we are already into discussion with 2 clients to fully automate their business. I see a lot of opportunities of digitalization because of COVID-19. People really feel the need of digitalization as they were not able to run their business as usual during the COVID-19 lockdown. This will give a major boost in the digitalization and IT services. We are expecting that by end of this year, there will be increase of 30 to 40% in terms of digitalization services. We have all processes and software to run the business as usual from anywhere. Like we have our own HR, accounting, people portal, project management software in place, which allows to run our business from any location from as usual without any interruption. Resources who have been working on the projects, they are able to fill the time sheet, able to deliver the client. We have following the cloud repository for the code and everything in place. I can't see a major disruption in the business of the Chester IT.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.